Guys, this is going to be long, ne? But after this, at least you've learned something. Uzobufunde something. This is the science that was used ukuhlanganisa ama soulmates emhlabeni. Njengoba ngiyichazile in the first video ukuthi abantu abadala basebenzisa iscience and astrology ukuhlanganisa ama soulmates la emhlabeni. But kule insuku lesesiphila kuzo ayisayenziwe lento leyo. That is why kuneyinkinga kuma relationship. So, le ncwadi engifunda kuyo ne, it's called the Black Root Science book. It says it involves two aspects of ancient science that are totally absent in modern society. Njengoba ngisho ngithi leyo mpilo leyo asisayiphili manje, but these laws were put out there by the 24 elders. Besiphila ngaleyo ndlela leyo. The first is that it requires the presence of what it is called Mohammedi the receiver. This is a person who serves the function of welcoming the new baby into this world, while the child is still in her mother's womb. In our society, we know that the spirit of an unborn child can communicate with Mohammedi using the voice of the mother. Sorry, my phone, I don't know what's happening here. Sorry about that. Using the mother's voice while she's in a state of trance. Mohammedi interviews the unborn child and asks him or her what is the purpose of his or her visit on planet Earth. So this means ukuthi ukuba khona kwethu la emhlabeni kubalulekile because we have a purpose why we are here. We did not just come nje sizovakasha emhlabeni. Wonke umuntu ozala emhlabeni une purpose yakhe kumele alandele. So bokule le bekuyimithetho ekade ilandelwa in the ancient days, where umntwana in her mother's womb was asked ukuthi ipurpose yakho yokuza la emhlabeni yini. Then the child, using the mother's voice, will normally give a cryptic answer that usually cannot be immediately decoded. It normally comes in a form of a parable. The person in charge, as well as the relatives, take note of it and remember it until it's fulfilled. The fulfillment of the message usually comes when another child becomes involved. Yipe yakho leyo ke. Yisoulmate yakho leyo. In a situation that clarifies the message in a way that is absolutely beyond question. This can happen with a child in the same village or even far. When it happens in the same village, it's an easy matter to decode it because nisendaweni eyodwa. Because the whole village knows about the parables. Remember, they took notes when you were born. They recorded those parables that you said when you were still in your mother's womb. Because of the whole village, about the parables involving each and every newborn. As you can see, this requires the unity and community spirit that is not to be found in modern societies. Sasizwana, sasisebenzisana mandulo. Ayisekho yonke leyo nto leyo. So it says this requires the unity and the community spirit that is not to be found in the modern societies. If the situation takes place in a faraway village where the message has not yet reached, then obviously the people of that village will not be able to decode the parables. At that point, they will start a widespread search. Bamfune lo mntwana lona oyipheya lo. Consulting the Mohammedi in all villages to see if they can find help with the meaning of the event. This may take a few seasons, but ultimately the right child is found who is the fulfillment of the parable. eventually lo mntwana loyo uzothola loyo uhambiselana nalo wavela kule village le. Then the second aspect comes into play, which has to do with the true ancient astrology. The ancients always noted the stray and planetary alignments at the conception of each child. As a matter of fact, the parents consulted the authorities, dingaka. So ntho ya runa ya bo doctor actually, that thing does not exist. Nerna dingaka runa pele. Dingaka tsa nnete. Who are expect astrologers? Dingaka ne di astrologers, expect astrologers, scientists. Re bua ka di true scientists he jono. Tsene di tseba ho sheba umkhakha, not umkhakha man. Umkhathi. Zibheka isikhathi, kubhekwa amatshe, kubhekwa yonke into, kusetshenziswa science, true science. Before conceiving a child, the dingaka advise them concerning what time will be appropriate for them to conceive. We used to consult dingaka and ask dingaka hore, when is the right time to conceive? Hona jwanong ra conceive fela ra etsa fela. Given their purpose in life and the purpose of the child they plan to bring into the world, true astrologers, dingaka, are able to find these things out of each couple. La bona or why Ronaldi problems today. Uno sa nyali la ilimang. Uno nyala mutu o ono tlisitswe le ena mo lefatsheng. Motho o na hlaha ka mo wa tswala in this village. Partner ya hao ne tswala somewhere else. Now, this is the most crucial of the two aspects, because soulmates are always born when the heavenly alignments complement each other at the time of conception. In other words, let us say a boy is conceived when the alignments are in a particular way. His soulmate will be conceived only when the heavenly bodies reach another alignment that is complementary to the first. This may occur within a few days of the boy's conception or after some years. The science of complementary astrological alignments is so involved that it was advised not to go into details and try to explain it. This person is the person that's talking here. It's this person that wrote this book. So, as I said in the previous video, that hahuna motho o tlang aliwane mo lefatsheng. Pili khale ne re tla in pairs. No go shebiwang planetary alignment. No go butsiwa dingaka hore nako ya ho conceive e right ke efeng. Then Bahakumalo will be advised hore, okay, you guys can conceive now. Ho tlo tswa mshimane kapa ho tlo tswa ngwanana. Then bale ba hakgatebe le bona same. Ho tlo tswa hore ho tlo tswa mshimane or ho tlo tswa ngwanana. But batho ba ke di pairs. At the end of the day, when they come here on planet Earth, ba tlo kopana, ba etsa soulmates. Then bophelo bo tswela pele. Then they marry. Then life e tswela pele smooth. Iseng ntwe e se etsahala today where unyadiswa le motho o seng yena a soulmate ya. That is why gona le di problems so mo baphilong a rona mo di relationshiping le mo manyalong. I hope this makes sense. It's clear now. Thank you.